Hey guys! So today I think I'm going to be singing Payphone by Maroon 5 again. Oh my god. I've seen that song so many times already. So I'm on my BlackBerry playbook and yeah. Here we go. I'm at a payphone trying to call home all of my change I spent on you. Where have the time's gone, baby, it's all wrong. Where are the plans we made for two? Yeah, I know it's hard to remember the people we used to be. It's even harder to picture, but you're not here next to me. You say it's too late to make it, but is it too late to try? In our time that you wasted, all of our bridges burned down. I wasted my nights, you turned out the lights. Now I'm paralyzed, still stuck in that time when we called it love. But even the sun sets in paradise. I'm at a payphone trying to call home all of my change I spent on you. Where have the times gone, baby, it's all wrong. Where are the plans we made for two? Happy ever after did exist, I would still be holding you like that. All those fairy tales are full of one more love song, I'll be sad. Now I'm at a payphone. So I kind of changed that. Didn't want to sing the whole song because it's like 10:30 at night. So I'll be on later. Okay, thanks for watching, guys. Thank you for all the likes and everything, all the views. Show me to your friends, family, everything. Okay, thanks.